Okay, this little girl had grabbed my finger and is sucking it like it is a barbecue pork rib. She is trying to get all the meat off the bone. Oh my goodness. Diana, you know, once you have teeth, I'm not coming nowhere near that mouth. You would take my skin off right now if you could. You were like pushing my finger. You silly rabbit. It's a hand. More importantly, it's mommy's hand. Have you ever heard you don't bite the hand that feeds you? Ain't you heard that before? You can't eat mommy's hand. You silly, silly, silly girl. You're not supposed to eat your own hands either. Are your toofuses trying to come through? They hurt? That's why you want to eat everybody's hand? Okay, let's change that diaper. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.